Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Grinding noises in your coffee grinder usually mean worn burrs or stuck debris. To fix this fast, unplug the grinder and clean out any trapped coffee grounds. If the noise continues, the burrs might need replacing because worn burrs cause loud grinding sounds. Regular cleaning and timely burr replacement keep your grinder quiet and your coffee tasting great.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.